So hey y'all, I received this extensions mask with Seaberry from FORHALLÉ. I think that's how you pronounce it, but make sure you guys check the description box below for the link. But this is an intense moisture full repair mask for hair extensions and wigs. So I'm not too sure if it worked, but I decided to use it on one of my favorite synthetic wigs that I wear a lot. So of course, directions: after shampooing and rinsing hair normally, apply Seaberry Intense Damage Repair Mask generously, combing the product through the hair evenly. Now, I use my hands, I use my fingers because once again, this is a synthetic wig and it's a Afro kinky wig, so you can't really comb it out, can't really brush it out either. So I try my best to apply as much of this mask onto the wig that I can. Now y'all can tell that I wear this wig a lot, okay? I wear it a lot. She has fluffed out a lot since the very first time that I got her, okay? So, not too sure if this mask works once again, but I do have to let you guys know that this wig smells really good now, okay? So, as you guys can see, I am still applying this mask all over the wig. So after you apply the mask all over the wig, you want to leave it in for 20 minutes before rinsing out thoroughly. Now for a deep treatment, you can place your hair in the moisture lock bag, add some water and microwave on high for 30 to 60 seconds. Allow your hair to cool inside the bag for 20 minutes and rinse completely. So you do have that option as well. Now, as far as the FORHALLÉ Seaberry Intense Damage Repair Mask, this can also be used with the Intense Moisture Microwave Bag for deep treatment, which I just informed you guys about. I don't have the microwave bag, but I did want to let you guys know that. So you just simply apply the mask with oil on the hair, place the hairpiece in the bag with a little water and microwave on high for up to 60 seconds, allow to cool before rinsing normally. So now you guys can see I am rinsing out this mask out of this wig the best way that I can. I'm not too sure if I got it all out, but I definitely tried my best. And after I was done, I just placed the wig on top of a clean towel and just let it air dry. So it pretty much is still air drying, but I will definitely show you guys how the wig looked the next day. It kind of looks the same in my opinion. But she kind of looks more, fresh than before. So I do like that. And I will definitely show you guys that. But anywho, I do want to thank the company for reaching out to me and sending me this product to test out. I definitely will be trying it on some more of my wigs. I've gotten rid of a lot of my wigs, so I will have to see which one I'm going to try this mask on next. But I really do appreciate them for reaching out to me and sending me this product. It is really good. It smells really, really good. And I do want to, see how more, I can't get my words out. But I do want to see what their other products are hitting for as well. But make sure you guys give me a thumbs up for this video, and of course comment down below if you've heard of this company, this brand, or have used this mask. Let me know down below in the comments as well. If you're a new subscriber, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one.